I haven't touched. I looked away for a good second. What happened?
Let's go brothers.
I saw it! I hear this kid! I hear this kid! It's a coochie! I gotta blur that out. It's a coochie.
Hey guys, it's currently 2:30 in the morning and I'm still editing this video, so I hope you guys enjoy it. But for the most part, me and my friends are gonna go out to the beach and have a good, nice beach day. You're gonna see like 3 intros in the beginning, just because why not? And one of them is my friends, which I added a little bit more on it. The other one is my edit, and then the original intro. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to skip to the original intro, this would be the timestamp, I guess. And yeah, go ahead. Peace out.
Needs back. Needs back.
Eu amo.
Bate, 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 de chicote vai me bate, 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 vai sair no rap, bate, 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 de chicote vai me bate, 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 bate.
領域展開無料空所
Needs back. Needs back. No. Look at the log! Hey, what was that joke that you made?
Oh, so special ed, special needs kid walking into the classroom late, and the teacher still call him tardy.
We're going the opposite way. We're gonna go get this log. Watch out, Nate! Nate, watch out! You think it's pretty light? Oh shoot. I feel like with all that water, it should be like, you know. Hold up, I gotta put this on. Hold up, give me a second. I got it in my shoe! I got it in my shoe! Damn it, I'm soaking wet now.
So when you started hopping up,
I actually gotta go barefoot now.
we're running.
Dog, I'm barefoot my thing.
Just keep your shoe on. Oh, you were recording the whole thing.
Yes, thank God I did. We're gonna start jogging and running. There's a lot of wind. I will, I can.
Keep up. Keep up. There you go.
Oh yeah, I just tripped right here. What is that? Oh, that's a rock. Let's go get it. Let's go get it.
You know what happened to that log?
No, I don't know what you're talking about. No, no, we should talk. Yeah.
Shorts mode.
Shorts mode.
Oh yeah. What's going on? Full review. Full review.
Full review.
Hey, there's some pelicans or something.
Pelicans. What are you gonna do? Oh yeah. Oh, it's rolling. It is. It rolled. That was pretty disappointing. I feel like we're too dangerously close. We'll be fine. Oh, watch out! Don't touch me. I haven't touched.
Oh, great Father, I ask for you to give me the strength that I need. Yes, you feel it.
You don't get down from that damn rock.
Moses. Hey, do it. Don't do it. Stop! I'm recording it. Military guy attacking a civilian. Ooh. Where's that?
It's a really cool rock.
It's a geode.
Oh shit!
You cannot pass.
That's the line?
That's how far I can go.
Look, it won't pass.
It passed the line.
Well, we both got roughly 2 hours.
Alright, for sure. How are you guys doing that? Whoa, what are those? Oh wait, wasn't this the... Nate, wasn't this the tree? Nate. 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 Huh? Say hi. Hi.
I don't know. I forgot.
How do you forgot?
I'm not a color guard. I'm not a color guard.
Whoa, those are really...
This action from Nate's Nation is a very thing that started the war between him and Esau. Spoiler, someone dies at the end.
Hey, you coming? They flew? Hey, you coming? I know, that's a huge wood, man. You're gonna fall.
I got a dum dum.
Wait, you guys are doing it! You have nowhere to go! We're gonna go to another battle. Yeah. What?
Suck it, Nate. Suck it.
Nate. Nate.
Suck the robot penis. Too big.
There's one.
You know what I say to that? God. Fuck. I missed it.
You're not doing anything. There's no damage being done. X marks the spot. Yeah. That was funny.
Oh, it looks so cool.
We should climb it. We gotta climb
You
it.
gotta climb.
We gotta climb it.
They're gonna fall. I suggest you keep looking up there.
Do you think this is illegal?
Probably.
Aisa! Your shoes!
No, I feel like they grabbed them. Why were they were bent down picking something up.
Aisa!
Here, keep track of this.
Aisa! The shoes! Where are they? Hey, hey!
I back it up. Is it fat enough? When I throw it back.
Alright, let's go, guys. Alright. I hear a plane. I hear a plane. Where is it? Oh, I see it. I thought it was going insane. Right there. The camera's not going. That's crazy. Wait! What happened? What the hell are they doing? Oh yeah. Oh, you almost hit me. Alright, I have a stick now. Bazooka. I have a bazooka loaded. Oh, I can't hold it. I see the target. Aim, lock, shoot. That little stick ain't gonna stop us. That little stick isn't gonna stop us, fool. No, it's not. Damn, almost hit me again. Oh, fuck. Stick. Alright. Wood versus wood. Huh? Yeah. Wood battle. That was no. That was. What are we gonna do now?
I guess we're going back. I want to run.
You're gonna run all the way to the end. Nothing? Walk with 2 sticks and see that's nothing. Wait.
I got you.
Nah. That was wow. Man, that ain't nothing.
Bruh, same spot.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
Damn. Hey, that's the same spot.
Same spot I threw.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Man, that's nothing.
Wait, I want to try this one.
Bet you're not gonna make it far with that rock. What? How did you do that? Oh my gosh, of course.
You could be me if you look this clean. Abracadabra.
I think that stick made it further. You good?
No.
How do you make it skip?
You have to wait for a good time. My shoulder.
Shoulder? You just came back. How did you that? How?
With this, I need you to hold it, angle it up slightly, and then snap it when you see a flat area.
Okay. I wasn't looking. Alright. Angle it. I got this. Ready? Tell me when. No, I don't.
You gotta roll it. You gotta roll it on the flat side. Ready? 1, 2. There's some way. What were you trying to achieve?
Holy shit. That was a nice curve though.
Yeah,
Ready? This one right here. This one's on a sheet. No.
I do my favorite one.
Right here. That's a good one, man.
I don't think you can skip this one, to be honest.
Wait, let's start this one. Ready? Ready? Right now, tell me when. Yeah! I saw! I made a skit! I made a skit! I made a skit! It was a little skit, but it was still a skit. What's up, y'all? It's a coochie! I gotta blur that out. It's a coochie. My phone's about to die, so I'm gonna end it. Good y'all on the flip side. I looked away for like I looked away for a good second. What happened? I looked away for a good second. What happened? What do you have to do?
We're imagining that. Yeah. Left side.
Oh, oh, that's what happened. I looked away for like a good second.
Super hard.
More bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! Bigger weapons! Whoa! Thanks for the proteins! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! I need more bullets! Sir, watch me right that hole! Bullets! I need more bullets! Hasta la vista!
Stepped on my toe now. Get them, mate. I look like you're jerking off the tree. Come get me. Reloading.
Say reloading, and then just put some like sloshing sound effects on that.